Hello friends, now today we are going to discuss about electric dipole. Electric dipole. Now what is dipole? Di means two and pole means polarity. So dipole is the system of two charges having equal magnitude and opposite sign. So this is the system of two charges. They are separated by distance twice a, right? So twice a is the distance between two charges in the dipole. Now we'll define a new term for this dipole, that is called dipole moment. So what is the dipole moment? It is denoted by P, small p. The dipole moment is the product of magnitude of charge and distance between two charges. So this is called a dipole moment. What is the unit of this dipole moment? So unit of charge is coulomb and unit of distance is meter. So coulomb meter is the unit of this dipole moment. Now dipole moment is a vector quantity. So what is the direction of this dipole moment? The direction of this dipole moment is from negative charge to positive charge. Negative charge to positive charge. So this is the direction of dipole moment, from negative charge to positive charge. This is the direction of dipole moment. Now we will find the electric field due to this electric dipole. So there are two cases. First case, electric field at a point, at an axial point. Axial point means what? The point which is on the axis of the dipole. Now what is the axis of the dipole? So the line passing through this plus charge and minus charge, that is called axis of this dipole. Now consider point P here. We want to find the electric field at this point. Suppose this point is at a distance r from the center of the dipole, and the distance between two charges is twice a. Now at point P, who will generate the electric field? The plus charge and minus charge will generate the electric field. So we have to draw the direction of electric field due to plus charge and minus charge, then we will add them, right? So due to the plus charge, the electric field is always in the direction going outward, means always it is away from this charge. So draw the direction at point P, but that direction is in the direction away from this plus charge. So E plus electric field due to plus Q is in this direction. Now electric field due to minus Q charge. So for minus charge, electric field is always in inward direction, means it is towards the charge. So here the electric field due to minus charge is towards this charge. So this is the electric field due to minus charge is in this direction. Now we will find the magnitude of both this, right? So to write this in vector form, first of all write down the magnitude of this electric field due to plus Q charge. So electric field due to single charge is given by KQ by R square. Now write down here KQ divided by R is the distance of point from the charge. So we have to find this distance. So what is this distance? So this is twice a, so this becomes a. So this distance is r minus a. So distance of P point from plus Q charge is what? R minus a. So KQ by R square is our formula for electric field. So write down KQ by R minus a whole square. Now what is the direction? It is in left side. So now we'll denote the direction of electric field in terms of dipole moment. So dipole moment is always from minus charge to plus charge, right? So it is also in left side. So this E plus is also in the left side. So we can denote the direction of E plus by using P cap. P cap means this E plus is also in the direction of P. This unit vector denotes only direction, right? Now write down the electric field due to minus charge. So that is equal to KQ divided by distance R square. R square means distance between P and minus Q. So that is equal to R plus A. This distance is A. So distance between P point and minus Q charge is what? R plus A. So KQ by R square, use formula. So in place of R, write down R plus A whole square. Now what is the direction of this E minus? The direction of E minus is in the opposite direction of P. So write down minus P cap. Now for the resultant electric field at a point P, just add this both electric field. Now E plus is what? KQ divided by R minus A whole square P cap, and E minus is what? KQ divided by R plus A whole square minus P cap. Now take this KQ common from this step and also take P cap common. So here 1 by R minus A remain, and here minus 1 divided by R plus A remain. So now take LCM of both this. So LCM of this is equal to R minus A whole square, R plus A whole square. Now multiply this R plus A here and R minus A here. So R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square P cap. So KQ, expand this one, A square plus 2AB plus B square. Expand this one, A square minus 2AB plus B square. Divide by, you can write down this R minus A into R plus A whole square. KQ divided by, now open that bracket. So every sign will change because minus is outside the bracket. So this is A minus B into A plus B. So that is equal to A square minus B square whole square. So KQ, R square cancel, A square X square cancel, 2AR plus 2AR, 4AR divided by R square minus A square whole square. You can write down this 4AR as a 2 into 2AR into KQ divided by R square minus A square whole square P cap. Now in place of 2AQ, you can write the dipole moment P. In place of 2A into Q, you can write dipole moment P. So 2K PR divided by R square minus A square whole square. Because what is the reason? Reason is 2AQ is equal to what? Dipole moment P. So this is the formula of electric field at an axial point. Axial point means the point which is on the axis of the dipole, that is denoted by 2kPr divided by R square minus A square whole square P cap. You have to remember this formula for our numerical. In textbook they are using, in place of K they are using 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So you can also write down in place of 4 pi epsilon naught, in place of K you can write down 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is equal to 2pr divided by R square minus A square whole square P cap. So your formula is PR divided by 2 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square whole square P cap. Right? So this is the formula of electric field due to dipole. Dipole means system of two charges of equal magnitude and opposite sign at a point on the axis. Axis means the line passing through plus charge and minus charge is called what? Axis of the dipole. Now we will further simplify this formula. Now if the point P is very far from the dipole, means if this distance of point R is very much larger than A, then what happen? Then you can ignore this A compare to this R. So ignore this A means it becomes R square into square means R power 4. So that is equal to E is equal to 2K PR divided by R power 4 P cap. So this is equal to R cancel 2kp divided by R cube P cap. So this is the formula when the distance of point is very much larger than the distance between two charges. So from this you can say that the electric field due to dipole is inversely proportional to R cube. You have to remember this relation. Electric field due to dipole is inversely proportional to the R cube, right?